Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to AirPlay from iPhone to TV. Whether you want to mirror your screen, stream videos, or play music wirelessly, this video covers everything you need to know. First of all, unlock your iPhone and make sure your iPhone and your AirPlay device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone's screen and then look for the screen mirroring button, which looks like two rectangles on top of each other. Right after you open up the menu, a list of available devices will pop up. Tap on the device you want to stream to. It can be an Apple TV, Smart TV, etc. Some device might show a code on your TV screen. Enter that code on your iPhone when asked, and your iPhone screen will now appear on your TV. And that way, you can now stream videos, show photos, or mirror apps. And that's it. Now you know how to AirPlay from your iPhone. If you found this helpful, please like the video, comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.